Hi, good morning. Sharon Raji Maynard here. 1st of April, just around the corner, and the publication of a book very important called Remembering Earth Mission. This is a story and information that has come to me from the ancient ones. Therefore, I thought it was appropriate to give them a chance to say what they might want to say as this first book launches. So here are their words for it. Finally, a new light is beginning to awaken humanity, and this light enables our voices to be heard. It is essential to wake up to the true story of your beginnings. Otherwise, you will be lulled back to sleep, and the opportunity to break the spell of the outsiders will be postponed, possibly lost again. You look around your country, your world, and you wring your hands, hide your head. Some would turn the music up louder. We want you to know that we are cheering. We do not cheer for the pain and the loss. We cheer for the situations that humanity cannot ignore. Situations that show the truth, the fact that something is wrong here. Indeed, many things are showing you that wrong exists among you. What we cheer is that there is greater strength in your voices. Stories are no longer being whispered in insular groups. Voices are saying, that is not okay. There are those who are shouting, crying, speaking, singing, marching. There is something wrong here, and we will not tolerate it. They, those who are speaking up, are modeling the original purpose of Earth life. The purpose is to call bullshit, BS, to point out that which kills, to speak out and name that which uses and rapes, and to declare never again, not acceptable, and remove the very seed, the concepts, the thoughts that foundation these forms. Do not make a mistake and discount these brave ones. Stand with them, hold them in safety, value their leadership, and do what you can to maintain and expand their influence. Make a note of those who actively try to silence, discredit, or demonize them. By those actions, you will know who is committed to deceive, to control, to dominate, and to use humanity. This awakening is continuing. Those who are losing their power will fight in many ways to keep you enslaved. By their words, their actions, you will know who is trying to free and those who are trying to entrap. Earth Mission has been activated. It's been activated by you in physical bodies. And we are here to affirm, support, and expand. We want to speak to those who have tried to make sense of this world, who've tried to understand and yet felt like strangers. What you have sensed in the stories being lived on this planet is correct. Things are wrong here. By remembering the original Earth mission, the unraveling will begin, clarity will come. We welcome you as you find your place in this great plan.